Welcome, traders. Today, we're diving into a powerful strategy, RSI Divergence, and how you can automate your trades with Autobot Trading Signals. Stay tuned to unlock your trading potential. RSI divergence occurs when the price action of an asset diverges from the movement of its relative strength index, signaling potential trend reversals. A bullish divergence forms during a downtrend when prices create lower lows, but RSI sets higher lows. Conversely, bearish divergence occurs during an uptrend with prices making higher highs and RSI plotting lower highs. Ready to enhance your trading with RSI divergence for binary options? Let's set it up. Head over to TradingView and sign in. Now, find your way to the chart where you'd like to see our indicator work its magic. As you're looking at the chart, click on the Indicators button at the top. A list will drop down. Here, you want to navigate to Invite Only Scripts. That's where the good stuff is hidden. Scroll through until you see RSI Divergence for binary option. This is the indicator that's going to help you spot those critical trading signals. Give that a click and watch it appear on your chart. And just like that, you're all set. The RSI Divergence indicator is ready to go, and so are you. Let's get to the exciting part. Finding those divergences. Watch for color-coded alerts on your chart. Red for bearish divergence and green for bullish. These are your cues for potential trades. Before we set up the alerts, it's crucial to sync your RSI divergence indicator with your Autobot. Let's ensure the signals correspond perfectly. Hover over the indicator on your chart and click on the settings icon. Here, you'll find the option to input your signal key. Type in your signal key exactly as it is within your Autobot system. This step is key to ensure seamless communication between TradingView and your Autobot. While you're here, take a moment to fine-tune any other indicator settings to match your trading preferences. Now that your indicator is configured, head over to the Alerts tab on the top of your screen and click Create Alert. Under Conditions, make sure the RSI Divergence indicator is selected. Then scroll down to find the webhook URL checkbox. Click it to enable a webhook. Paste the provided URL /34.1.61.52 index.php into the field. This is the address where TradingView will send signals to your Autobot. With the webhook URL in place, click Create to activate your alert. You've now automated your RSI Divergence trading strategy. When a signal is detected, your RSI Divergence indicator sends a JSON message to your Autobot, which then executes a trade based on predefined settings, be it a call for bullish or put for bearish signals. Remember, no strategy is foolproof. Always manage your risks. You're all set. With RSI Divergence and Autobot integration, you're ready to trade smarter, not harder. Happy trading, and may the odds be ever in your favor. Like the video, subscribe for more insights, and hit the bell icon to get notified on the latest trading strategies. See you next time.